Have you ever stopped to consider the miniature world teeming with life all around us? A world invisible to the naked eye, yet filled with creatures of unimaginable complexity and beauty. Today, we're going on a journey into this hidden realm, exploring the terrifying beauty of tiny creatures living all around us under the microscope. Our journey begins with a drop of water. Seems harmless enough, right? But under the lens, this simple droplet transforms into a bustling metropolis. Single-celled organisms, the building blocks of life, come into focus. Amoebas, constantly shifting their shape, hunt for food. Paramecium, propelled by tiny hair-like structures called cilia, dart through the water. It's a battle for survival on a microscopic scale. Next, we venture into the world of insects. Even the most common insects reveal a stunning level of detail under the microscope. A housefly's compound eye, a marvel of engineering, is revealed to be composed of thousands of individual lenses. A mosquito's proboscis, designed for piercing skin and sucking blood, is a complex instrument of nature's design. The hairs on a bee's leg, perfectly adapted for collecting pollen, show an intricate structure. But let's not shy away from the creatures that might make you squirm. Spiders, with their multiple eyes and intricate webs, become even more fascinating. The fangs of a spider, designed to inject venom, are a testament to the power of adaptation. Even dust mites, often considered a nuisance, reveal a unique beauty in their exoskeleton and legs. The microscopic world isn't just about beauty. It's also a place of intense struggle. Predation is a constant reality. Creatures hunt, fight, and devour each other. The drama unfolds on a scale that's both terrifying and mesmerizing. It's a reminder of the raw power of nature, even in the smallest of creatures. So the next time you look around, remember the hidden world that surrounds us. It's a world of complexity, beauty, and yes, even terror. The creatures living all around us under the microscope are a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. A world that, once seen, will forever change the way you see the world around you.